Hello to best Twitch streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download OBS. So all you want to do is go over to google.com, and once you're inside google.com, all you want to write is OBS Studio. Once you finish writing OBS Studio, just head over to this website, which is their official website. Don't worry, it's safe. So once you're inside this official website, you can head over to this download channel if you want, and from there you can select the type of operating system you're using. This is for Linux, this is for Apple, and this is obviously Windows. From here you can download it via torrent, via the installer, via zip, or view on GitHub. So now if you want to just download it normally like I normally do, all you want to press is on just download installer button, and that's about it. Now I already have it downloaded and installed, so I don't really want it again, but yeah, that's all you want to do, and you should have OBS on your computer. With that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful and easy to follow. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we gotta come up with more videos in the future. With that being said, peace.